everyone, it's Beth from Sweetheart's Hair and I'm back with the lovely Esme and we're going to show you a really quick style. So you need to be out the door, 5 minutes, you want it to look smart, let's get going. Just using a little bit of wax spray here, just to help with any sort of flyaways, not too much. So I'm just taking a slice of hair from the front here, smoothing it out. And then we're going to do a 3-strand braid. So nothing more complex than just an ordinary 3-strand braid. We're going to go nice and tight and neat with this one. I was thinking more you're having a day out or school and you just want it back off the face, or holiday. So I'm just going to take this braid all the way down. So next we are going to take a section of hair, so just behind the ear, slice it up like that, and then a slice from the top. And we're just going to let that little braid just sit through there like that. And then I'm going to create another braid with this hair, so I'm just going to leave a little bit out from over here, like so. So I've made my 3 strands again. I want this to be quite tight because I want it to be sort of like a smart style. So when I bring this one over, I am just going to really pull that hair. And then I'm going to just use that to really lock that in. So just an ordinary 3-strand braid again. So how easy is that? This is just a simple braid technique. And then I'll just braid this all the way down again. So now I'm just going to repeat that on this side, using that little bit of wax spray to tame it, and then I'll show you from the front what it looks like. I think you'll agree. It's just a very simple, smart style, this one is. So just using that little bit of wax spray again, let's get this last bit in. I always go behind the ear because I want that hair to really stay back. If you only come here, all that hair wants to fall forward, so make sure you sort of come behind the ear to get that section. So when you pull this one back, just really making sure that you've got good tension there when you put your thumb down and you lock it in. So this is the style done. It takes 5 minutes to do. The hair is completely back off the face. So really smart for school or a day out. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.